Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and in today's video I will be reviewing a brand new product that I just tried myself and I can't wait to share with you. So if you guys want to see what that brand is, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. So right off the back, I'm going to let you guys know what product I'm talking about or what brand I'm talking about. And it is called, let me see what I should grab. I should grab the box. It is called the MOERIE Mineral Hair Products. You guys, I have so much to say about this brand because I'm honestly shocked. And first and foremost, I do want to say that this is a sponsored video, so thank you MOERIE for sponsoring this video and for sending me your products. However, all opinions are completely my own, and you guys, they sent me a shampoo. This is a shampoo here, and then this is the conditioner, and they also sent me a mineral repairing hair mask, which is this one right here. And lastly, they sent me a mineral ultimate growth spray. So on their website, which will be linked down below, they do state that this will help you repair your hair if you have bleached it a lot or colored it a lot, which that is me, or if you just have like dry and damaged hair, which again, that is me. So first impressions, when I looked at these products and I saw the ingredients and stuff on the actual bottles, I was really concerned that it probably wouldn't work for my curly hair, as far as I wouldn't get the volume and the definition that I usually like for my curls, and it was gonna leave it really like heavy and oily kind of. But I was so wrong. So I'm gonna start by reading off on the bottle, the shampoo bottle. So it says, for normal hair, has 5 vitamins and 18 amino acids. Also, I just want to mention that I did go on their website, obviously, and I read down on the About Us tag, and it has a breakdown of how they formulated all of these products, which I thought was really helpful, because a lot of times you just see a bunch of ingredients on a product and then you don't exactly know what it means or what it really does, but you just lather it and put it all over your hair. But I really appreciated that they actually broke down the ingredients in this in their products. So here it says it is paraben free, fragrance free, cruelty free, silicone free, SLS free, and GMO free. So they did kind of pull me in with all of that, because obviously it is healthy for my hair. And then it also has a kind of like a short list of ingredients. Like, this is the ingredients box here. When it comes to products, you do want to look for products that have like the shortest ingredient list possible, because that means that it is just very concentrated with really good ingredients for the most part, and it doesn't have a bunch of preservatives and just junk in it. So I really do appreciate that as well. Now, first impressions when I started washing my hair with the shampoo. So I'm gonna go through each product because I did use all of them. Yeah, I used all of the products that they sent me. So for the shampoo, I was actually really surprised. Let me just say that both their shampoo and their conditioner, I don't think you can even see that in the camera, but it's really like a really thin formula. It's not really thick consistency at all. Actually, none of their products are of really thick consistency. Even the mask, as you'll see later on, is really not like a thick consistency. But the shampoo, it was like, I almost felt like, oh my gosh, I don't think this is doing anything. I don't think it's washing my hair. But like, okay, so when I put it on my hair, at first I wet my hair obviously, and I put it in my hair, it kind of felt like a little bit oily. Like, it didn't feel, it did lather up a little bit, and it was it did make suds, so I knew it was doing something, but it just didn't feel like a normal shampoo. Like, I've never used anything like this. The closest thing to this that I can think of is like a cleansing conditioner, but cleansing conditioners don't typically foam up, or not foam up, but give you suds, and this one actually did. So I've never used anything like this. If I could compare this to a product that I have used in the past, it wasn't even a hair product, but it reminds me of the Garnier micellar water. When you like take off your makeup, or like you're just cleansing your face with it, it's like that kind of technology where it just grabs the dirt, but it doesn't necessarily like dry your hair out or feel like you're using something, if that makes sense. So I was really impressed by the shampoo. I did use it twice. I did lather with it twice, and then I went on to use the repairing hair mask. So I didn't use the conditioner in the shower. Now, this mask has amazing slip. Like, it detangled my hair in 2 seconds. So if you have a problem with detangling, I kid you not, this is amazing. And I'm a curly girl, so I was like, oh my god, this is gonna give me this is gonna be enough for like 1 wash, maybe 2, because when it comes to deep conditioners and hair masks, I just literally just grab and just dump it on my hair. But a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna show you guys the consistency of this mask. It looks like a gray, it kind of reminds me of like a clay mask. So it does look like it's really thick, but once you put it in your hair, it doesn't feel super thick. This mask is absolutely amazing. I love it. I really love it. And just to talk about all of the smells, because I love hair products that smell really, really good. The scent in all of these is really not super strong and powerful. So even smelling my hair now, it doesn't really give off like a crazy fragrant smell, because these products don't have fragrance in them. But if I could compare it to anything, it kind of reminds me of, like, if you guys have ever tried Airborne or Emergency. I know it's like the cold kind of thing that you drink for like to help your immune system. That's what this smells like. Honestly, that's what it reminds me of, the shampoo, conditioner, and the mask. And it's not a bad smell. It just smells kind of like citrusy and kind of like an orange zest kind of thing, and I really like it. It's not overpowering at all, and it's nice and simple. So yeah, so then I went on with the repair mask, and I left this on for probably like 25 minutes, and then I washed that out. When I washed it out, I was a little bit concerned again, because when I washed it out, it kind of left my hair looking pretty like flat. It kind of felt like maybe it put too much moisture into my hair, which doesn't make any sense, but I thought that my curls and my hair was just going to be weighed down like with a lot of oils, because I do think that this does have, yeah, it does have oils in it. Oh, that's so funny. I didn't even look at the ingredients list earlier for the mask, but I just realized that the aroma is orange. It's a natural aroma, so that's dope. And also, these products do have caffeine in it, which I did enjoy, because it does give your scalp and everything like a tingle, and it's good for hair growth. So I'm excited. I'm really excited about these products. I'm gonna say, so yeah, these do have oils in it, so I was concerned that my curls were just going to be hydrated but kind of like flat looking, which I've used products in the past that were really heavy in oil-based ingredients, and so it just didn't work for my curls. But this worked. After I got out the shower, I used their conditioner as a leave-in. Since I used the mask in the shower, I just decided to put this on as a leave-in. I didn't show any clips of me applying the products, because you guys have seen me apply products in my curly hair routines like all the time. It's nothing really new. I didn't try anything new with these. I will say that I only used a little bit of conditioner in my hair, because I was afraid to weigh my hair down, because as I said, these do have oils in it, and so I just didn't want to weigh my curls down. I mostly applied it to the mid shaft to the ends of my hair, and then actually, no, I did this first. I did their Mineral Ultimate Growth Spray, and I just sprayed it all over my hair, and I also re-wet my hair with a spray bottle and kind of just finger detangled a little bit more. My hair was mostly detangled anyway, but I did use this first, and then I used a conditioner from mid shaft to my ends. I also used my Denman brush to help me with a little bit of curl definition, and then that was pretty much it. I did want to use a gel. I really wanted to use a gel, because I'm like, I almost never not use a gel when I'm doing my curly hair routine. However, in the last couple of washes, I've tried not to use a gel. And this time I did really want to just use their products only. I wanted to give them a fair shot to really give you guys a good in-depth review of what I think about the products. So these are the products that they sent me. First impressions, I really actually love these products. I will say that when I came out the shower, my hair, when I was finger detangling and when I put the growth spray in, my hair felt a lot more like stronger, because my hair has been feeling really kind of frail. I get really lazy and I don't upkeep with it every day, especially if I'm home. I just kind of leave it up in a high ponytail or something, and I get really lazy with my curls. So these products actually did make my hair feel really like strong. My hair feels really strong now. I didn't have a bunch of fallout when I was washing my hair, and it gave my hair definition. Next time, I will probably top it off with a gel because as you can see, I have some frizz and that's just from my hair naturally. But I was ready to, if I'm being completely honest, I was ready to straighten my hair to show these products in a better light, because I feel like if you straighten your hair with these products, it's perfect because it has all the oils, so it'll give your hair like that beautiful shine and it'll probably come out really nice and silky. However, my hair curly came out super shiny. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but my curls did really come out super shiny and my hair feels really strong and healthy, and it is exactly what I've been needing to give my hair some TLC. So I actually really love these products. I again was not expecting myself to love these products because I thought that they would just work better if I get like a blowout or something, even though on the website they do claim that it does work for curly hair and all types of hair. But I just didn't, I was honestly skeptical. I was like, there's no way this is gonna work for my curls, but it really did. It gave me definition. Again, as you guys can see, I do have some frizz, but that's because I didn't use a gel and my hair is used to gel. But look at these spirals. It's literally like, look at this one perfect coil here. So cute. But yeah, I also did diffuse a little bit and it gave me a little bit of volume. My hair is not fully dry, honestly. It's like 95% dry, but it's not fully dry. But I am impressed by these products, you guys. Especially if you have curly hair, like I would honestly, like I probably wouldn't use this like every single wash day, but I would definitely use this at least twice a month just to give me that extra nourishment that I guess other products lack. So I really enjoyed this. I would love if they would make like a gel or like a leave-in. Even though I use their conditioner as a leave-in, I typically do that. If I don't have a leave-in, I'll use like a conditioner, but I would love if they make like a leave-in and you know, things like that. Like that would be really dope. But overall, I give this an A. It's an A, really. And I love how natural and healthy, and it's just really good. I'm really impressed. Again, I'm going to leave MOERIE's, I hope I'm saying that correctly, but I'm going to leave their website in the description box below. And if you guys have any questions, then please be sure to ask down below as well. And again, thank you MOERIE for sending me your products and sponsoring this video. I really enjoyed it. And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, then please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!